Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D, Lady D, Miss Successful D, whatever you know me as. I'm your girl, and I'm back with another banger. Aye, what is going on here, guys? Like, can you see what I'm looking at? Can you really see what I am looking at right now? Can you really just deep it, please? Just deep it, because if you've been following me on my channel, and if you've been keeping up to date with my videos, then you will see that on Friday, we marked this up, baby. We marked this up. Like, no word of a lie. We marked this up from, where did we take this from, honey? Don't play with me. We took this from up here at about 2:05. At 2:05, we took this trade. 2005. We took this trade, and I said that gold's coming down. It's coming down. It's not going back up yet. We're not in a buy situation right now, because Putin made a lot of people angry. The war made a lot of people angry, and it made the price of gold shoot up ridiculously. There was hardly any pullbacks. And as you know, in the market, or if you don't know, I'm going to tell you a little secret. The markets is like a ball. What happens when you bounce a ball? It goes up and it goes down. It goes up and it goes down. So gold went up, reached a new high, an all-time high. Like, gold has never been there before. Never been there before. And wow, I must say, I saw when it started to fall, and I thought to myself, do I take this or do I not? Do I take this or do I not? And I thought, let me just wait for some confirmations. And I got my confirmations. When it came back down past the 220, when it came back down past the 220, and it couldn't go back up there. Because if it was going to go back up, it would have flew straight back up there. No itching, no bouncy. It was bouncing for a while. As you can see here, it was bouncing for a while because it tried to have the momentum to push it back up, but the buyers just weren't there. The sellers were though. They were though. So in the space of what, like 3 days, because the market is closed on the weekend. Where are we? Actually, no, sorry, I lied. About 5 days. About 5 days. Well, no, I'm not lying. 3 days, because the market is closed on the weekend. Gold has hit TP7. And if you go back in my videos, you guys can go back and watch as I marked up the charts, if you really please. The evidence is there, honey. The evidence is there, and colours doesn't lie. Colours does not lie. So can we just give it up for colours? Please, can we just give it up for colours? Because right now, right this second, right now, this market is overbought. Can you guys see that here? It's overbought, and look where it is. Look where it is. It's at 1916 and it's overbought like that. The guys from my HFX traders, I got some gems for you. But you're going to have to wait. And if you want those gems, you're going to have to join the team. We are training tonight. We're going to be training tonight, honey. We're going to be doing some scalping of the markets tonight. Where are you? If you're not on the team, I don't know for you, because that's a hell of a lot of money, honey. And if you're scalping that, you could have taken that back up to TP, the TP previous TP, because that's exactly what the market did. It came down past the TP, went back up to the previous the previous TP, came down to TP again, and then came back down, came further down to the next TP, then went back up to the previous TP, and came back down, and so on, till it's just gone clear. So guys, so what I'm going to do right here, I haven't got long, because you know, we have a session, we moving, we keeping it moving, honey. So what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to show you the day chart. Yeah, I'm going to show you this. And as you can see, oh, excuse me, this is not gold, this is gold on the day chart. And as you can see, we've got a hell of a lot of sellers in right now. So by tomorrow, if this candle opens up red, it's curtains. If we get a red candle, if this keeps pulling down and we get a red candle, a solid red candle on the day, it's done. It's done. Done. It's done. Like, gold is coming all the way back down, because they're saying Putin said he was buying gold, and that's exactly what he did. He bought gold, so now they're going to devalue that. Take back some of the money. But hear what the brokers are doing now. The brokers are taking your money. The brokers are taking your money, honey, because you think it's gonna buy back. But you see a little pullback and you get in and you think, yeah, I can swing this. No, you can't. No, you can't. Like, let's think logically now. Like, logically. Forget about what you see. Let's think about what you know. And then let's put that into perspective. Do you understand? So let's see what happens tomorrow. But the next support is 1820 on the day. So keep that number in mind, 1820. Yeah, 1820. Look where it is on hour. It's already crossed that. It can't go back to that 1978. Not with all these sellers in. The sellers are not going to lose their money right now, because the sellers are the US dollar. The sellers are the US dollar, and the US dollar is fed up with Putin now. They de-associated from gold, and that's why the DXY was not moving with gold. Think about what you know. All of a sudden, gold started dropping. Why has gold started dropping so far as well? That's because the DXY is taking over. The DXY is taking over. So when the DXY goes up, gold goes down. Let me show you DXY quickly. DXY. See this? Do you see it? Do you see it? Hold that for. My charts have just wanted to do a complete craziness. Let's look at gold. Okay, so as you saw on the DXY is moving up. It's moving up. And that hasn't crossed this line yet. So let's go back to the DXY. This is moving up on the day. This is in a strong uptrend. It's moving up. It wasn't able to cross back here, but it's pushed back up. And if you look at gold, gold pushed down, I had a little pull back up. You see that? You see the logic? Did you see the logic? So the DXY keeps being strong all week. Gold will come back right down here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to gold in 4 hours. Time to load our charts that we already marked up. Okay. So you'll see it. So you'll see it. Yes, you'll see it. You'll see it. This is a potential ceiling here. Potential ceiling. Because come to here and it's getting stuck. Sellers are coming in. So this is a potential ceiling now. So our TP from 1917 would really be 907. 1907. 1907. This is 18797. It's giving us a next floor here because it might not even reach this floor. It might not reach this floor. It might reach this floor and reverse before it even comes down here. It could just sink it. We'll find out. So let me change the color of these. That's black on the floor. Okay. So here we have a green box. So we're going to be very wary when we get to this green box. Very wary. But we'll see what happens because we have a green box here. So our next TB after that would be at the top of this green box. Okay, guys, so TB8, TB9, TB10. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you for watching, guys. I'm glad that you guys could be here and be supporting me. Let's get it, let's go. Let me know how you get on. And this is source, like you need to get this source for yourself. You need to get this source for yourself. So if you want to do this yourself, where you can take it back and forth and make it even more smaller, honey, then you need to click the link in my description box below and send me a DM. Hit me up, guys. Hit me up. Don't be afraid. They are like the team. They are. We got this. Let's get it. Love you guys, and I will speak to you soon.